Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the mouse cursor in Windows 11 settings. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on Settings. Under Windows 11 settings, click on Accessibility in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one Mouse option. Now again scroll down to the right sidebar and under related settings click on this one mouse pointer option. Under mouse pointer section you can select mouse pointer style as white, black, inverted, or even you can select one custom option. Just click on this one custom option in case you don't prefer these one options. Now select a color of your choice. In case you don't love this one predefined colors, click on this one option, choose another color. Now move your mouse over color palette and once you find the one of the good color, click on this one done button. Now you will see your mouse pointer has been changed. In case you want to increase its size, you can use this one size slider to increase or decrease the size of the mouse pointer on your Windows 11 PC.